Good morning. Thank you for tuning in to this morning meditation. Taking a few moments at the start of your day to reflect, be mindful, and relax can produce amazing long-term benefits if practiced consistently. My intention for this meditation is that it offers you a simple daily routine that you can implement into your meditation practice. Let's begin. I invite you to sit up for this meditation, preparing to start your day, feeling energized and alert. Sit in a comfortable position with a tall spine, shoulders rolled down and back away from the ears, creating space. As you ground into your seat, noticing your sit bones beneath you, just connect with the surface. Become aware of whatever is supporting you. If you haven't already, I invite you to go ahead and close your eyes and just take a nice full deep breath in through the nose, holding for 3 seconds and breathing slow out through the mouth for 5 seconds. Let's try that together. Breathing in, hold, out. Practice that again at your own pace for a few more rounds. As you continue to breathe and relax into this moment, notice if you're holding any tension between your brows. And if so, allow your breath to release it. Notice if you're holding any tension in your jaw. And on the next exhale, relax that area. Notice if you're holding any tension in your shoulders. When you exhale, allow your shoulders to melt and relax down a little bit further. Bringing your awareness to your heart center. Sending gratitude to your heart for beating, your lungs for expanding. Just notice how it feels to be awake. Become aware of your breathing. Notice how full or shallow your breath is. Notice the rise and fall of your chest. I invite you to set an intention for your day in this moment. Intentions simply guide your actions throughout the day. Ask yourself, how do I want to show up today? Your intention is your guide. Breathe in deep through the nose, reflecting on that intention. Maybe it's a word or a phrase. Let it settle into your body. And breathe out slow, deep, full breaths. With your intention set, I invite you to take one more deep, full breath in through the nose and slowly out through the mouth. And when you feel ready, you may open your eyes and start your day.